The Google Pixel 8 series made its debut at the Made by Google 2023 event on October 4, and in this video, we'll be exploring the battery and charging capabilities of the Pixel 8, addressing some of the questions you may have about it. Battery life is a critical aspect, so let's dive into the details, specifically regarding milliampere hours. One of the key factors contributing to potentially better battery life in the Pixel 8 series is an increase in battery capacity compared to its predecessor. According to the latest rumors, the Pixel 8 family is expected to feature a slightly larger battery. Another significant factor is the inclusion of the all-new and improved Tensor G3 chipset in the Pixel 8. Given the historical efficiency improvements between iterations of this chipset, we anticipate improved efficiency and, consequently, better battery life in the next-gen Tensor-powered Pixel 8 devices. We're eagerly awaiting the arrival of Pixel 8 devices for testing, so stay tuned for concrete battery performance metrics. Now let's address the question of how much battery capacity the Pixel 8 models will have. While these details are still based on rumors, credible industry insiders and leakers suggest that the standard Pixel 8 will come equipped with a slightly larger 4,485 mAh battery compared to the previous 4,270 mAh model, representing about a 5% increase in capacity. The Pixel 8 Pro is also expected to feature a slight bump in capacity, going from the Pixel 7 Pro's 4,926 mAh battery to a new 4,950 mAh capacity. Moving on to charging options, both the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro will support wireless charging. Google states that with the second-generation Pixel Stand, you can achieve up to 18 watt of wireless charging for the Pixel 8 and up to 23 watt for the Pixel 8 Pro using the same accessory. If you use any other Qi-certified wireless charger, the charging speed for both devices will be 12 watt. Additionally, the Pixel 8 series will offer reverse wireless charging, referred to as Battery Share by Google. This feature allows you to charge Qi-certified devices, although Google doesn't specify the charging speeds, only mentioning that they may vary. Nonetheless, you'll be able to use your Pixel 8 to wirelessly charge compatible accessories. Regarding the charger, the Pixel 8 series will use a USB-C charger with speeds of up to 30 watt. You can also opt for a Qi-certified wireless charger with speeds up to 12 watt, or choose the Pixel Stand for even faster wireless charging. As for the speed of wired charging, both Pixel 8 models have seen a 4 watt increase, going from 20 watt to 24 watt for the Pixel 8 and from 23 watt to 27 watt for the Pixel 8 Pro. While we can't confirm whether this power boost will result in faster charging times until we conduct tests, in theory, it should provide slightly faster charging. In conclusion, these are the key details we have about the battery and charging capabilities of the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out.